Narendra Modi, and this
Look
will
at this guy.
go to you first. Come on, Lander of India.
I was supposed to get Netanyahu, and he was supposed to get Modi. Didn't you even get the memo?
You all get all of them. So
Modi is holding a rally in Madison Square Garden.
Yeah.
He wants to hold a joint press conference with you afterwards, reaffirming the strong bond between India and New York.
Yeah.
Do you agree to the event?
No.
So yeah.
All right, Mr. Stringer
No.
and Mr. Ramdani.
No, and I just want to say something here, which is that my father, his family comes from Gujarat in India, and his family is Muslim,
Yeah.
I'm Muslim. And Narendra Modi helped to orchestrate what was a mass slaughter of Muslims in Gujarat to the extent that we don't even believe there are Gujarati Muslims anymore. And when I tell someone that I am, it's a shock to them that is even the case. And this is someone who we should view in the same manner that we do Benjamin Netanyahu. This is a war criminal.
Yeah, exactly.
And speaking